morning, welcome to the Professor Dot Show on this Sunday morning. It's nearly 11 a.m. I hope your Sunday is doing well. Mine is doing well. Welcome again to this nice content creation. So today I want to show you something. So now this contraption, I hope you are seeing it. So now, for people who are here in Africa, until 5 years ago, this was the common aerial in most homes. Very big, homemade. You see, it's homemade. It's a TV aerial. So these things, they will source them from outside, but the rest is homemade in Kenya. So this part here, they will source it from outside. For it's the transmitter, something like that. So now this aerial, the rest of it is homemade. This wire, these metals are homemade. So this aerial used to be common in the last until the last 5 years, when there was a break up of new technology in Africa. You know, Africa technology takes time to spread. Now we have this called digital television that have they have internal channels. Okay, you need an aerial, but these days the aerial is very small. It's not like this big thing. You see, it looks ugly, very big and ugly, but it was very effective a few years ago. Even for most years, most aerials in Kenya used to be big. In fact, this one is a bit smaller. The other ones used to be big like a coffee table, very big. So that's what I'm saying. Let me put it there. That's what I'm saying. Small is better. This aerial is so big. It's big, and then handling it's a problem. But these days we have someone can stream TV channels through their mobile phone, through YouTube, through website, and the mobile phone is very small. The aerials are small, and even the digital television, some of them don't need the aerial. As long as you have internet, you can stream your favorite TV channel through YouTube or through the websites. That's why I'm saying small is great. So like you who are watching me, you have a skill, a talent that you are not showcasing to the world. How do you showcase it? You have social media. Social media now is the easiest way of making money. Back in the day, you needed to be a star, go to television, or if you are a soccer player, basketball player, athlete, you get scouted. You have to go through Vegas to go make it. So it used to be a few people who make it from their talent and skills. But these days, many people can make it. You just need to have a skill. You can juggle cups, you can juggle balls. You have your phone. Showcase it on your social media handles. TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter. And who knows? What you're having now, you're hiding, is what the world may want, may need. These days, people are frustrated, are stressed. They want something to watch, something to motivate them. Just that small action can motivate people. That's why you found viral videos. Just something simple. Someone is just dancing, someone is drinking coffee, and it's viral. Because what he showed there was something unique that everyone around him enjoyed, around the world. So if you have a talent and skill, showcase it. Don't sleep on it, and you'll grow big. Like now, let me give you an example. There's someone now who has maybe a channel, social media, YouTube channel with 100,000 subscribers and above, isn't it? Now the problem, that person, a man or a woman, is not putting anything on the content, on the social media with so many followers. It's as good as dead. That's why someone said the most richest place would have been is the graveyard. Graveyard, you have people who have been actors, singers, dancers, scholars, professors, you name it. But they hid their talent and skill because they did not believe in themselves. It first of all starts with you believing in yourself and putting it, showcasing to the world. Because what we are doing now here, it would matter in 100 years. You know, sometimes I laugh. You find someone is worried what people think about them. 100 years from now, would care. There used to be an empire known as the Roman Empire. It had kings, queens. It ruled the world. It had magnificent buildings. It had treasures. Where is it? The only thing we are told is the Roman Empire is just remains of buildings. With some of them, they are rusted. They say, oh, this was the Roman Empire. Even us, 100 years from now, no one will know. But this content will live forever. Someone will know there's someone who's called Professor Dor who lived. That's what I'm saying. If you have a talent and skill, showcase it. That area was big and clumsy. These days you have smaller areas that are effective. That's why I'm saying small is great. That small skill you have and talent can touch someone's heart, can change someone's life, can motivate someone. Like me, this content I give, there are stories, practical things that someone can do daily. These are things that motivate people. People outside there are having, they say, mental problems, mental pressure, mental challenges. It's because they don't have something to motivate them. So if you are watching me and you have a talent and skill within you, showcase it on social media. It won't cost you. You just need a phone. Open your Google account, open YouTube, whatever you fancy. Showcase it. If it works, it works. If it doesn't work, see, tomorrow is a day. Here in Africa, we always say, kesho ni siku. Translation, tomorrow is a day. Kesho ni siku. Tomorrow is a day. That means the world will always continue, whether you succeed or not. So this social media is great. It's something small on your phone, and it's great. YouTube, watch it in a very small place on your phone or laptop, but it has impact. That's what I'm saying, small is great. If you have a talent and skill, showcase it. So as I finish off, I want to thank all my followers who are following me. I'm really surprised that I put a video and over 100 people watch it on TikTok or impressions. Okay, they watch, yeah, TikTok we watch. I want to thank all my followers on TikTok, all my followers on Instagram, YouTube, because my YouTube channel is doing very well. My TikTok is doing well. To me, well means that people are watching. Someone, even if one person watches, I'm happy with that. And then also want to wish all of you a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. May you have a blessed and successful year. May all your dreams come true. May all your challenges be overcome. May you always achieve what you want. And also want to thank the people who have been sending me something small, cash money. You know, it's very hard in this economy for someone to give you something, money from the hard-earned cash. All the followers that were sending me money on that number I gave, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. And as I always say, if you give someone $1, God will add you times 10. So may your year, the whole year, be successful. May God open doors for you. May all your dreams come true. And if you have any challenges in life, just remember, challenges have to be there in life, and you'll overcome them. So all these followers who have sent me any cash donations, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart, they have said. And I want to tell you, I'm thankful for the support. And keep on trying to improve myself, give more inspirational videos, and keep on motivating someone. Because someone who's watching me has something that the world wants, they have said. So these videos, I'm sure they are motivating him or her to keep on giving and to keep on getting better. So all my followers, Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. And you know, in Kiswahili we say, Kwaheri ya kuonana. That means, bye for now and see you later. Kwaheri ya kuonana. That means, bye for now and see you later. So it doesn't mean that you are leaving the person. So kwaheri ya kuonana means that bye for now, but see you later. So you're wishing the person luck, wishing them a good life. I hope you enjoy your Christmas tomorrow. I'm going to give one more video today about Christmas as we enjoy Christmas tomorrow. Enjoy your Christmas. Be safe, be careful, and mind your brother. And with those words, I want to say, Kwaheri ya kuonana, kwaheri.